Target 1. I can graph ordered pairs and write ordered pairs from a graph. To do this, we're going to take a look at our coordinate grid. When we're talking about an ordered pair, we're talking about the numbers that are going to show the location of each point. These are going to be in the x, comma, y format with parentheses around them. The x term tells me how far right or left I go, which means this here will be our x-axis. The y term will tell me how far up or down to go. This here will be my y-axis. For example, if I wanted to graph the point 3, 2. The 3 tells me how far to the right or left I go from the origin. This origin is right here in the middle where the x and y-axis meet. So again, 1, 2, 3. And then the second term, the 2, will tell me how far up or down I go. In this case, it'll be the positive 2. Right there is the point 3, 2. If I have another point, let's say one that involves a negative number. If I have a negative 4, 2. This first point tells me how far right or left I go, and since it's negative, I'm going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second number will tell me to go up 1, 2. This point here is the point negative 4, 2. The other part was to tell what the coordinates of a point happens to be if it's located on the grid. So if I have this point here, and I am looking to find the ordered pair for this point, I will once again start at the origin, and I will figure out how far right or left first. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is in a negative direction, so this will be a negative 5. And then I'm going to go down 1, which is also negative, so negative 1. This point is the point negative 5, negative 1. And let's pick a point over here. Let's say this one right here. I figure out how far right, 1, 2, 3, so it's going to be a positive 3. And I come down 2, so this will be the point positive 3, negative 2. Out 3, down 2. So remember, when you're graphing points, the first is the x term, which tells you how far to the right or left, and the second is the y term, which tells you how far up or down to go.